Alright, here today we have a 2011 Chevy Silverado 1500. This one has the 5.3 V8 engine in it, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, 151,000 miles on this one. Truck has a slight lift kit on it. I think it's probably about 2 inches or so. You can see the spacer on top of the strut there. It's got pretty much brand new wheels and tires on it, 20-inch fuel wheels, and I mean 80-90% tread on the tires. For 2011, it's pretty clean. It's got a little bit of rust in a few places, but a lot of these trucks rust a lot worse. If I can get the light to focus. There we go. We did put these fender flares on there. There was a little bit of rust bubbles starting down low. Little paint chip right there. Yeah, the frame's got a little bit of surface rust on it, but overall it's in pretty good shape. Cloth interior. Truck runs and drives great. Doesn't have any service lights on. Everything appears to be working as it should be. Four-wheel drive works good. Climate control works good. AC works. The radio works. Yeah, there we go. Cruise control and everything works. And that's it on this one. If you got any other questions, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at heritagemotorsales.com.